Well, the Model A likes the distributor out of the truck so much that it decided it's not going to give it back. So I had to get another one. Same thing that was in the truck, hopefully. Maybe now I'll have a box to send cutworm this paint gun. I'm just looking for a box. I got that working pretty good. I think it should work for you. If not, use it for primer. The distributor that was in the Model A that went bad was a stock look Petronics. Why does this look like it has sawdust all over it? And these are the billet style. This is the one that was in the truck. So, just need to drop her in, put some ends on that, hook it up to the coil, set the timing, figure out why there's sawdust all over this. Must be cardboard box dust. Anyway. Should be real easy. Just like everything is always real easy. Never any problems around here. It's always real easy. Alright. I know when I pulled this out that the rotor was pointed directly over to the side like that. So, hopefully I'm just going to drop it in there. I'm just going to go right in. That's gonna happen. You're probably wrong. I can't get back here to see what way the oil pump shaft's going. I don't have anybody here to bump it over for me. So we're just gonna try to get her right the first try. And that is not going there. And that's a tooth off. So I'm probably going to have to spin the oil pump because it will not go in where I want it to. Yeah, it'll only go in back there. So, I'm gonna have to go get a long screwdriver. Okay, well, I can't see it. I can't get my head back there to look at it. My screwdriver apparently isn't long enough, so I got the distributor where it's going to be in the right spot once it drops down and it engages all the way in the gear, and the rotor's going to point over there. But the oil pump's not lined up. So I'm just going to go bump it over, and it should spin around. And once the oil pump shaft lines up, the distributor should drop down all the way. So, see if that works. So just go ahead and let me know when that drops down. I can't see it. The camera dropped down. Well, whoa, tripod fell apart. apart. So you drop down. As you can see, the distributor dropped down too. It's sitting against the gasket now. So I'll put the clamp on it, put the cap on it, hook the distributor up to the coil, and we'll see if she runs and set the timing.
What are those two wires for?
The distributor. Power and ground.
Makes sense.
Or, I don't know if it's necessarily a ground. It goes to the negative side of the coil.
Well, at least the truck's in the shade. What you need?
The wrench I just had. 3/8.
That's not 3/8. Oh. Ah, it's right there. We should paint the brake booster.
Go ahead. Be my guest.
Oh, I got the roll cage paint and brushes. That would work, wouldn't it?
Sure. As long as I'm not doing it, it'll work fine. Can't go that way. Okay. I just have to get the firing order right. Let's see if it runs. Set the timing. I need number 1. Is this number 1?
No idea.
I don't even know where we put number 1, so it's not really going to help me much. I didn't pay any attention to that. I just unplugged it.
Right. That was the least of your worries
It should
at
be
the
this
time.
one right here. It's dirty.
Careful.
Power and ground. Battery. I guess we'll try that.